Ready to go?
Almost, just wrapping my shawl.
I have my umbrella.
Good. Let's check the bags. All right, everyone in?
All cozy now.
All right, engines on. Ready to go?
Yay, let's go!
Everyone buckled up? So cozy. Here, have a warm bun.
Thank you. They smell wonderful. Here you go. Hot tea. Thank you. It smells wonderful.
One for me too, please.
Right away. Perfect day for chai.
It really is.
This is so good!
Wow, the car is moving.
Be careful, sweetie.
These look fresh. How much? 10 coins for a bunch.
I'll take some greens.
Here you are.
Here are your fresh oranges.
Thank you so much. And the marigolds are lovely.
Of course. Here you go. So peaceful.
Yes, our little one is dreaming sweetly.
I love these moments.
We're finally here.
Yes, home at last.
It looks so inviting.
Let's get inside.
Grandma! Welcome home. We missed you.
Hi, Mom, Dad, we're here.
It's so good to see you.
This cucumber is so fresh.
It smells wonderful. You're doing great, dear.
I love helping.
This is delicious.
Yummy noodles.
You like them? Good job eating.
So cozy in the rain.
That was a wonderful meal.
I'm so glad we could all be here.
Me too.